Hi everyone, welcome to new video. Today I am going to show some simple tips to get beautiful printed handwriting. First you need to practice circles, then standing lines or vertical lines, then horizontal lines or sleeping lines, and slanting lines. Then I will show you how to write each letters. Then small letter A, circle and a standing line. Then small letter B, circle and standing line. Then half circle. Small letter D, circle and standing line. Small letter E, sleeping line and half circle. Half circle and standing line, sleeping line. Circle, standing line, half circle. Small letter G. Standing line, half circle. Standing line, half circle. Standing line, slanting lines. Standing line, then two half circles. Again for M, standing line and half circle. Circle, then standing line and circle. Again for Q, circle, standing line and slanting line. For R, standing line, then a small slanting line. Letter S is little tricky. I will show you. Put the two half circles up and down. Then connect with a small slanting line. I will show you again. Two half circles up and down. Then connect the circle with a slanting line. I hope you get it. Then standing line and half circle and standing line. Then two slanting lines, same like a V, W, then two slanting line again, then for Z, two sleeping lines connect with a slanting line. Then I will show you how to write words. Practice these letters every day. You will get beautiful printed handwriting. Printed handwriting is very easy. If this video is useful, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.